This torque stick. Torque stick is using for tightening lug nuts or yung mga tornilyo sa gulong ng sasakyan. This is the one my own personal use, my torque stick. So as you can see, makikita niya may makanya-kanya silang torque. Ang heavy torque yung kulay green, 150. This one red is I think 90 foot-pounds. Kagandahan guys ang torque stick, nalilimitahan niya ang torque lalo na pag gumagamit ka lagi ng impact gun. Kasi ang mga impact gun halos nag-range ng torque stick maximum 300 torque. So pag napasobra ka ng konting pitik ng o pindot ng impact gun mo, ma-over torque na ang gulong or yung lug nut ng sasakyan. So this we use para ma-prevent yun. Ang tawag dito ay torque stick. So this one I'm using for the Honda. This one usually range for usually torque to 90 to 100 foot-pounds safe. But the one I'm using torque stick is color blue. It's maximum to 100 foot-pounds. Still safe. You know, sometimes go to 90, 100 foot-pounds. It's okay for this kind of SUV. Nakita nyo guys, kahit ipir mo ng pindot ang impact gun mo, yung torque niya limitan talaga sa 100 foot-pounds. Ginagawa to para secure na fully tight at sequence at lapat na lapat ang higpit ng gulong. Now I'm using this on Ford 150. So this I'm using a color green, which is 150 foot-pounds. See, binababat ko siya. Si sequence like ang paghigpit ko para lapat na lapat siya. Kasi ang impact gun, pag napasobra ka dyan, either roasted ka or torque ang mga gulong mo. So I'm using this now on this GMC truck. The torque here is 150 foot-pounds. Sinisecure ko muna ang lug nut. Okay. Advisable to lalo sa mga gumagamit ng mga impact guns, handgun. Kasi malakas ang buga ng hangin lalo pag malaking gun ang gamit mo. Possible na ma-over-torque ang lug nuts. So this one, to secure. Isa nga pala guys, pang wigidam, medyo pag gagamitin mo, medyo yusan mo muna para alam mo talaga kung naka-threaded na yung hat mo bago mo isili yung impact mo para sure na wala ka mag-issue sa thread. See? See the sequence? I think like start sequence. Using this also the truck again, like a small truck. So it's only like 100 foot-pounds. I use color blue. Like I said guys, ang lahat ng torque stick may mga equivalent color kung hanggang saan range ang torques niya. Like I think red is 90 foot-pounds equivalent niya. Ito naman which common na ginagamit namin is the blue, 100 foot-pounds ang maximum torque niya. Yung green usually is mga light truck, 150 foot-pounds. Yung silver doon susunod 120 foot-pounds.